In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Grok AI app 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to handle the most common hiccup so you can get the app on your Windows device quickly and safely. First, open your web browser and head to the official Microsoft Store page for the app. You're looking for the listing titled Grok, developed on the XI Grok API. Using the Microsoft Store is important because it ensures you're downloading the genuine application from a trusted source with the latest updates and security protections. When the page loads, take a brief moment to confirm you're on the correct listing by checking the title, the icon, and that it's clearly marked as a Microsoft Store app page. This quick verification helps you avoid lookalike pages or outdated mirrors. Once you're on the correct page, look for the install button. On some devices, this may appear as get before it changes to install. Click it to begin. The store will handle the download and installation automatically, and you'll see a progress indicator while it prepares and installs the app in the background. This can take a moment depending on your connection speed and system performance, so let it run without closing the page. If a standard permissions prompt appears from Windows or the store, simply confirm to proceed so the installation can continue. When the progress bar completes, the app will be added to your start menu, ready to use the next time you open your apps list. If you run into an error at any point, don't worry. This is usually a simple connectivity issue. Start by checking that your internet connection is on and stable. If you're on Wi-Fi, make sure you're connected to your usual network and that other pages are loading normally. You can also pause any heavy downloads or streaming in the background to free up bandwidth. And next, refresh the Microsoft Store webpage and try installing again. A quick refresh often clears temporary glitches and reloads the install button properly. If the page still appears stuck, close the tab, reopen your browser, return to the same official Microsoft Store listing, and click install once more. Most installation errors resolve after a fresh page load and a steady connection. That's it. Go to the official Microsoft Store page, click install, and if an error pops up, check your internet and refresh the page before trying again. Thanks for watching and enjoy using the Grok AI app on your Windows device.